Royal Challengers Bengaluru has taken a significant step towards strengthening crowd management and fan safety at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium. In a formal proposal submitted to the Karnataka State Cricket Association, RCB has suggested the installation of 300 to 350 AI-enabled surveillance cameras across the stadium premises. The advanced AI video analytics system is designed to help authorities manage crowd movement efficiently during high footfall events such as IPL matches. According to the proposal, the technology will enable real-time monitoring of entry and exit points, ensuring disciplined queuing, detect unauthorized access, and support law enforcement agencies in maintaining order. RCB has also committed to bearing the entire one-time cost of the project, estimated at approximately Rs 4.5 crore. With thousands of fans attending matches at the Chinnaswamy Stadium, the initiative is being seen as a proactive move towards improving safety standards and ensuring a smoother matchday experience.